Getting a hands-on education. Essentia Health provided more than 400,000 hours of clinical education to medical students last year. About 21,000 of those hours were done in Brainerd. As our Scott Sheehan tells us, Essentia Health says it's important for our future healthcare professionals to learn in a real-life setting.
Teaching students how to care for future patients, Essentia Health has provided more than 400,000 hours of clinical education last year at their 83 hospitals and clinics across 4 states. Essentia Health St. Joseph's Medical Center has contributed about 21,000 hours last year for the area's college medical students.
It's very important. When we look at having a rural-ready workforce and having students come out of school ready to work in our healthcare environments, having that realistic experience is very important. So we partner with educational institutions to be able to provide that experience.
Coming here to learn, you're actually working with live people, and you get hands-on work with patients and the actual computers.
Doing their clinicals at Essentia Health allows students to learn more than what their textbooks can teach them.
The initial thing that they get here that they can't get in a school setting or even in a simulation lab is the collaboration that occurs between the different healthcare providers. And you can't reproduce that in a college setting. So you can get the theory, you can get the skills in a college setting, but actual application happens at the bedside.
Live wounds. I mean, actually seeing a wound versus seeing a picture is much better. You can actually get a feel for how you need to care for it.
Students at Central Lakes College, Wadena Technical Institute, University of Minnesota, and St. Cloud State have sent students to Brainerd, and the program also teaches students confidence and how to be a part of a medical team.
Seeing students gain in their confidence from day one when they first come for clinical, and they're nervous and they just really don't know how they fit in. And then by the time they're done with their clinical experience, they are actually part of our healthcare team.
Essentia Health plans to continue investing their time to educate future medical students. Scott Sheehan, Lakeland News.
The medical students range from physicians and nurses to pharmacists and therapists.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.